Good evening all. Today my class is find LCM of two numbers 12 and 8. Before going to this class, kindly subscribe King Classroom for maths and computer online classes. Now coming to the class. LCM. First LCM means least common multiple that means least common multiple of two or more variables. That means another way, smallest common multiple of two or here are two or more numbers. That means simply we can say if you take two table, three table, first smallest common multiple I will explain here. So first if you take 2 and 3, LCM or smallest common multiple is, we can simply say that we first we have to write two multiples. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Again 3 multiples. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 9, 12, 15, 3 6 are 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So first choose the common multiples on 2 and 3 tables. Common multiples or common factors. So 6 first and 12 on 2 and 3 tables. Again here 18 and 18. These are the common multiples on 2 and 3 tables. Okay. In that, what is the definition? LCM means smallest common multiple. In that 6, 12 and 18, what is the smallest? 6 is the smallest. 6 is smallest. So this is the LCM of 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. LCM smallest common multiple is 6. Okay, in the way we can't find out biggest numbers, so we have a method. So we can apply that method to solve the LCM, to find out the LCM with these examples. Okay, 2 and 12 and 18. If you take 12 and 18, divide with 12 and 18. So with common factors, divide with 12 and 18 common factors. Common factors is 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor for 12 and 18. So 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. So again we take the common factor. First common factor is 3. 3 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So until divisible with the numbers, until we will get the 1. Okay, 1. So 2 and 3 are the balance here, but 2 and 3 are not divisible by any number, because they are divisible by that numbers and one and only, because they are prime numbers. So directly we can divisible with 2. That means here 1 time, and we can write 3 as it is. Okay, again 3 can be divided with 3, because this is 3 is also a prime number. 1 3 1 not divisible by 3, so 1. Here 3 divisible by 3 is 1 time. So here we get the all numbers 1 here. So these are the least common multiples. With that numbers we can multiple the numbers to here 3, second one is 3, sorry, again I am writing 2, sorry, second one is 3, again 2, again 3. So that implies 2 3s are 6, 6 3 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36 is the LCM, least common multiple of 12 comma 18. Okay, with the tables we can check about 12 and 18. 36 is the smallest least common multiple or not. Right here 12 table and 18 table. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. Okay, until we will get the common multiple 8, we can also write 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54. Okay, this is the smallest common multiple 36, or smallest common multiple, or LCM, least common multiple of 12 comma 18. With this method we can easily find out LCM of 2 or more numbers. Okay, thank you to watch complete video. Watch the King Classroom and learn the King Classroom videos and learn the subject. Thank you. Like the video, share the video. Thank you.